Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys my Valentine's tablescape. Again, this is nothing fancy, just some items that I have on hand, but it's one of my favorite times of the year. It's the love month. So I wanted to share with you guys how I put together the items that I have on hand. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them in the comment section. I have no problems answering them. But without further ado, let's get started. This is my current tablescape. I like to refer to it as my winter wonderland. Most of the items I purchase from my local Dollar Tree, Target, you name it. I pretty much get everything from everywhere. I'm just like one of those people who likes to buy things and then just put them all together. So what I like to do is start with a clear tabletop. So as you see, I'm just removing everything from the table, and then I just give it a really nice wipe down. And then I move on to building my tablescape. If you watch my Target 90% off clearance finds, I purchased these items. Actually, the cup holders is from last year, and I guess this is like a cake stand or something, but I decided that I was going to use it as like a centerpiece holder, and I think I mentioned that in my video as well. So those both came from Target 90% off. I'm actually going to bring back the flower centerpiece that I had prior, and it just has pine cones in it, which to me gives a really nice winter wonderland theme. So I'm going to keep those. And when I'm doing my tablescapes, I like to, it's like add and subtract. Like, what do I have? What can I use? I do not like going out to the store. This wine bottle holder I actually got from Walmart a couple of years ago, probably 70 to 90% off. So I like to put wine inside of it or any type of liquor just to give it like a nice glam look. I picked these up last year at Hobby Lobby after Christmas sale, 90% off. I believe 80 or 90% off. I just thought it adds like a really nice contrast to my tablescape. I also like to use them to put the silverware on top of the leaf. It looks super cute. I did that last year, but today I'm just going to add it on top of my plates. In my opinion, when you're creating a tablescape, it pretty much reflects your personality. So everything that you see here is just items that I love. I'm all about the glitter, the glitz, the glam. I love gold. So you'll definitely see that with my tablescapes, it reflects my personality. Thanks so much for watching this video and coming behind the scenes with me as I create my tablescape. This table I actually purchased from IKEA. I can't think of the name, but if you want to know the name, just ask me in the comment section. And again, a lot of the items came from the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby. Target is my fave, as most of you know. But yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching.